What it does. Ansible is an open-source automation tool that helps you manage and configure remote servers. It uses playbooks, which are YAML files that define a set of tasks to be executed on a remote server. In this example, we'll create a playbook to install and configure Nginx on a remote server. Command/example. Breaking it down. Dash indicates the start of the YAML file. Name specifies the name of the playbook. Host specifies the group of servers to target, defined in the hosts file. Become, yes, allows Ansible to run tasks with elevated privileges. Tasks is a list of tasks to be executed on the remote server. apt is a module that manages packages on Debian-based systems. Template is a module that configures files using templates. Notify triggers a handler, in this case, restart Nginx, when the task changes. Handlers is a list of tasks that can be triggered by notify. Common mistakes. Forgetting to specify the become directive, which can lead to permission errors. Not defining the hosts file or specifying the correct group of servers. Not using the correct module for the task, e.g. using apt on a Red Hat-based system. Not testing the playbook before running it on production servers. Try this next. Create a new playbook to configure the firewall on the remote server. Use the debug module to print variables and debug your playbook. Experiment with different Ansible modules, such as copy and command. Pro tip. Always test your playbooks on a staging environment before running them on production servers. Use version control, e.g. Git, to track changes to your playbooks and collaborate with team members. Use Ansible's built-in features, such as check and diff, to verify and debug your playbooks. To get started with this example, you'll need to 1. Install Ansible on your control node, the machine running the playbook. 2. Create a hosts file that defines the group of servers to target. 3. Create a templates directory with an Nginx. conf. j2 template file. 4. Run the playbook using the Ansible playbook command. Remember to replace the web_servers group with the actual group of servers you want to target, and update the Nginx. conf. j2 template file to match your desired Nginx configuration.